Hello everyone, it's my first vlog and I'm here in the type of car showroom. I'm scared to vlog a lot because this is a racist place. People take your phones and stuff. I don't have a camera. That's the worst part. I heard getting in front of me. Yes, and this guy's following me. And yeah, we're gonna go car shopping. We're gonna buy a car today, hopefully. And yeah, I'll see you when we find the car. Okay, see when we can find one. Okay. So my father we're thinking. Sorry about that. My father just thinking about a car. Like we love me too. Is this Mercedes right here? It's like a family car because we have like a little type of 2000 sports car. So we're thinking about this one right here. And it's a good car though. It has like a GPS DVD. It has like a camera screen right there. And yeah, it's a good car. The tires are good. Doesn't have that much scratch. I think it's a good car. So we're arranging on this. My father is there talking with it. But there was a damn good car. Let me see if it's in. Yep. This is the interior. Because today we're gonna go. Looks like a car. And yeah, we found the Citroen over there. It's like a full auto plane, like the gears on the side and like a new car though, and they're selling it. So yeah, there's over 200 cars here for sale. Over there, lines over there, every single place. So yeah, I'll see you maybe this car even. You're wondering. Has 240 speed, and yeah, it's good. It's a good car though. And it's a B class. I guess my father was talking about. It has phone control and all that. So yeah, I'll see you. And this Mercedes too. I like this. But this is the best. Even it's like a dark clear blue color. And yeah, I told you this like no problem. Yeah, so I'll see you next where maybe we're gonna buy it. So yeah, I'll see you there. Yeah, I'll see you there. Okay everyone, I'm in the car right now. How do I off it? It's okay, it's just the radio that was on. I'm learning about this. Don't mind the language. And yeah, I'm in the car right now. It is too beautiful. I just want to buy it. I mean, in our car normally we sit like this. This seat is extra back. I don't know if they put it or it's normal, but it is just beautiful. And yeah, we're thinking about buying. I'm not gonna tell the price. Yeah, you know, I'm not gonna tell the price. But this car is a beauty right here. The back. And yeah, look at the speed. Yeah, don't mind that. And yeah, this thing, I don't know what's it. You can do this, but it is good as heck. So yeah, don't know if we're buying. My father just talking with the owner right now. My parents are just talking. Maybe we're gonna pay cash to the car. And yeah, see you now again. Okay guys, I think this first vlog is a car purchase day because I think we just got the car. Like, we just bought it. You ready to see it? Then here it is. This is the car. Okay guys, just kidding. It's this. 424 for that one. That's a rusty car. But this is the beauty. No, like I can't I think we're gonna pay cash right now for this car, but my first vlog competition. Hopefully. Yeah, I like this thing here. It's like a little like carbon fiber thingy, but it's not. And yeah, it's just a little bit scratches. Yeah, you just saw the boom. Okay guys, Now, don't mind where I am, but I think it's time to end the video here. We did purchase the car. It's just the money we get, the cash we gotta pay like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So yeah, maybe 2-3 days we're gonna get the car. So yeah, see you guys in the next video hopefully. Bye.